Morning everyone, rise and shine. Guess what time it is? It's Diva time, and I'm coming to you earlier in the week. Earlier than usual. I normally pop in on Wednesdays, but today it is Monday because I had to absolutely get this out to you. I was contacted. This is all about getting new products, by the way. So grab your coffee, or your tea, or your glass of champagne or wine if you're across the pond, and sit down. And I've got some great recommendations for you. I was contacted by a company called Pinch Me, and what they are a company that sends you out free products, no strings attached whatsoever. You don't have to leave your credit card, nothing. All they ask in return is for you to review them and to rate them. You do not have to be a blogger. You don't have to be a vlogger. You can just be a regular consumer, and they will send you products. And the thing is, when you go on, I'm going to have all the information down below, but when you click on that link, it's going to ask you to fill out a questionnaire, because the box will be curated according to your lifestyle. Do you want household products? Do you want beauty products? Do you want hygiene products? Do you pet products? Whatever. So I just think it is a great idea, and the reason I'm coming on so early is that Tuesday, the 18th of July, is the deadline to be able to get your box for the month of July. But I'm going to show you what they sent me. Now, this is not a regular box. This is what they call the blogger edition. And it's just a little bit of everything, just to give you an idea of the size of their samples. So I got in mine, I got a Gillette men's deodorant. I also got a Biore, the baking soda cleanser for combination skin. I've got the Biore charcoal. I think this is a mask. No, this is a charcoal acne scrub. I got some ZzzQuil to be able to sleep at night. I think I'm going to keep those. I've never heard of this. They're color grabbers. They're microfiber sheets that you put in your wash. It's better absorption, better color protection of your clothes. I got another baking. This is a baking soda. This is another Biore acne scrub. I got some. I thought they were makeup wipes, but they're not. They're on the go. They're what do you call those? Feminine wipes. Okay, that's what they are. And then I got also this Tummy Zen. I've never even heard of this brand before, but this is for total heartburn relief. I also got one of these. I love these to removing lint. I always keep one of these at work because I have cats. So this really comes in handy, even on furniture. I use it. And the rest is some samples. I got some Pure Leaf tea sample. I got some salad dressing sample. And I think I got a hair care. Yeah, I did. I got a Carol's Daughter shampoo and conditioner. I think this is fabulous. So I want you all to go over and fill out. I filled it out. So I want mostly beauty products. So that's what I'm going to get. This is just like an assortment of, just to give you an idea of what you can get. So go on over. It's called Pinch Me. I think this is a fabulous idea. And sign up and start getting free products and reviewing. The next thing I want to talk to you is about what I call the best box ever. I got myself a Summer Fab Fit box, which is you've all seen this box. I mean, I've already opened it, but I'm going to tell you something about subscription boxes. I'm not a fan of subscription boxes. I don't like them. I find a lot of the products that come in them, there's maybe a quarter of them that I like, and I'm referring to like BoxyCharm, Itsy, you know, that little bag. It's just not my thing. I even had, the only one I liked was the Box of Style by Rachel Zoe. That one was okay, but that's an expensive box. It's over $100 for the box, and you have to figure out, I'm Canadian, so I've got to figure out the exchange and that. And frankly, I found even in those boxes, there was just a quarter of the things that I liked. The Fab Fit box, so every time I've been seeing it every season, because it comes out 4 times a year, I fell in love with the box, but never got one. Anyways, I saw the summer box. I thought, okay, I'm registering for, I want to get this summer box. But what I did is I wanted to get a discount code. So I had communicated with them. They in turn gave me a discount code, which I will have below, but they sent me this box. And I tell you, it is beautiful. This box is valued at I think $287. And it's worth every penny. To get a box for under $50 and you get close to $300 worth of products, it's worth it. I'm going to show you what I absolutely love. I've got this beautiful bottle. What do they call this? This is the Drink Up. This gorgeous glass water bottle will change the way you hydrate forever. Also, the convenient 500 ml size makes it easy to take on the go, whether you're traveling or heading. I love this. I absolutely love this. I much prefer drinking my water out of a glass bottle as opposed to a plastic bottle. This is coming to the office with me. And this is valued at $35. I also got an Aven. This is a sunscreen lotion that's 50 SPF for the face. I really love these products. Aven is a very popular brand here in Quebec. I'm assuming it's also in the rest of Canada. But it's a big seller here, so I'm really glad I got this. And this one is valued at, how much is this one valued at? Ben, I'm going by what? It's valued at $24. And then I'm really anxious to try this Juice Beauty Smoothing Eye Concentrate. Now, I've heard nothing but wonderful things about Juice Beauty. My dear friend Carolyn, Miss Flip Flops and Pearls. Hi, Carolyn. Love you. Carolyn swears by these products, so I've yet to try them, and this is valued at $29. Now I'm calculating these at U.S. prices because this here is at least $40 here in Canada. And then I got, this is what I'm not going to open it because I'm going to give it away to a very dear friend of mine. This is a beautiful, it's rose gold. It says on the road. This is a little passport kind of purse. What do they call this? On the road travel sets. Pack your bags and hit the road or the skies in epic style with the gorgeous passport cover and luggage tag set. The metallic vegan leather duo featuring printed leathering will have you traveling in style. And this is valued at $28. But I'm giving this to my dear friend. You know who you are, who travels to Europe on a monthly basis. She's going to be able to use this. It's really pretty. It's rose gold. So I don't want to open it. Giving it to you for your birthday, honey. Don't be surprised when you get it in your birthday box. And then I got, this is actually, it's going to go for my son. I got it for my son. This is the Cloran. The Cloran is a huge brand here in Quebec. It's a European brand. And this is a dry shampoo, so I want my son to try this, and this is valued at $20. So this is a good deal. Last but not least, I also got, which I'm not going to open, I got the Cargo HD, a perfect picture highlighter bronze. I'm not opening it. It's sealed because I'm giving this as a little giveaway. Well, the baskets that I prepare for my women's shelter, I like to always include some new things. I'm going to include that in there. And this is La Pièce de la Résistance. This is a sarong. And this one it's by Michael Stars, and it's valued at $54. But just look at this color. You know, I don't wear bathing suits, but this I will wear because it's so pretty. You know, I'm going to wear this with just a white tank when I go away this summer. But the colors are just exquisite. Actually, even as just a scarf. Let me just a scarf. Isn't it pretty? Anyhow, I just love this box and I had to share it with you. But I really came on a little earlier because I wanted to tell you about the Pinch Me. So go ahead and get pinched at Pinch Me. And I tell you, if you're looking for a really good subscription box, look no further. Fab, Fit, Fun. I'm fab, I'm fun, but I ain't fit whatsoever. But it's great. Love it, love it, love it. So thank you so much for stopping in. And I need you to let me know in the comments. Because I'm home on sick leave, my fashion style has really changed because now I can only wear flats because my balance is off because of my head trauma. I often walk like a drunken sailor. But so my fashion has changed. would you be interested in having a little, I was going to say not a fashion show, but just some pieces that I put together that you can wear every day, very casual. If you are interested, I would be prepared to do that for you next week. If not, then I'll do something else. But that's it for now. Je vous embrasse de Montréal. Soyez prudents, soyez belle. And what does Natalie tell you? Natalie tells you when you look at yourself in the mirror, Natalie tells you you're beautiful. Because you know what? You are. You're beautiful inside. The rest is just decoration. Play with your makeup. I'm just going to doing one or the other. Bye for now. Love you all.